And welcome back. Now, disgraced South African Adam Catzavelos will make another appearance in the Equality Court sitting in the Randburg Magistrate's Court this morning. Now, the case relates to an incident in August last year in which Catzavelos allegedly made racial comments while on holiday in Europe. And he also made a video which went viral on social media. Catzavelos faces a charge of criminal injury, but let's cross over to our reporter Chriselda Lewis to give us a better explanation of exactly which leg of this case we are dealing with at the Randburg Magistrate's Court today. Chriselda, good morning. So if you can just outline for us briefly the background story here and also what we can expect in court today.
Well, Sakina, you'd recall that the South African Human Rights Commission had taken up the Adam Catzavelos matter to the Equality Court. So the Equality Court sitting will be here at the Randburg Magistrate's Court this morning. And SABC News understands that there's a proposed settlement that has been put on the table by the South African Human Rights Commission of 200,000 rand. So the South African Human Rights Commission is saying that Adam Catzavelos should pay no less than 200,000 rand for his transgressions. However, this is just a proposed settlement that has been put on the table. So we're likely to hear this morning whether Adam Catzavelos and his lawyers are accepting this proposed settlement. I also understand that this settlement was sent by the South African Human Rights Commission lawyers last week Thursday. So we're likely to hear this morning whether he's accepting this deal or not. Adam Catzavelos has already arrived here at the Randburg Magistrate's Court, of course, for that Equality Court sitting. And you recall as well, Sakina, that this is only but one facet of the case. His charges relating to criminal injury, that particular aspect of the case will sit at this court as well towards the end of the month. And his legal woes continue because he's also due to appear before a Greek court. We're not sure at this stage exactly when he will appear there, but he's also wanted by Greek authorities to answer to the video, of course, that was taken then on Greek soil. That country, of course, also has its own hate speech laws. So whether Adam Catzavelos does agree to take the settlement here at the Equality Court sitting at the Randburg Magistrate's Court today, the case or his legal woes still continue. So this is but just one facet of the case itself. We know that Greek authorities have also already written to Adam Catzavelos' lawyer. So a date is yet to be set, Sakina, on when he will have to appear in court on those hate speech related charges in Greece.
So, Chriselda, if you could perhaps just briefly also tell us what happened the last time when Adam Catzavelos appeared in court.
Well, you'd always recall that every time he did appear in court, I mean, the last time he spoke very briefly to me and did indicate saying that it was a moment of madness, reiterating once again that he made those comments in that video in Greece while on holiday. But he's since refused to speak to the media, and I guess on the advice of his lawyers at this stage, because, of course, towards the end of this month, he will, of course, then answer to those criminal injury charges at this particular court, and also he's yet to appear in Greece as well. We're also expecting the South African Human Rights Commission to arrive here any moment. Boang Jones, who was also here at the Randburg Magistrate's Court the last time. So the last court appearance he made was related to the criminal injury case. So today here, this is the first sitting of the Equality Court at the Randburg Magistrate's Court, where, of course, Sakina, this proposed settlement has been put on the table by the South African Human Rights Commission, and whether he will accept that or not certainly remains to be seen, but it will certainly become much clearer here at this court this morning.
Well, thank you so much, our reporter Chriselda Lewis, following that story for us. That's Adam Catzavelos appearing in the Randburg Magistrate's Court, which is where the Equality Court sitting is taking place today.